Hello, this is Jamie from Crewe SEAT. We're delighted to be able to offer you this stunning used Mini Cooper. This vehicle comes with a 1.5 litre petrol engine and features the automatic transmission. This particular model is finished in this gorgeous blue paintwork and has around 29,648 miles on the clock. Into the boot now, we can see that there is enough room for two small suitcases, plenty of room for your weekly shopping, and the rear seats are fully foldable. At the rear of the vehicle, we have the dark tinted rear privacy glass along with the integrated roof spoiler, sleek looking tail lights and gloss black badging across the vehicle's boot lid, along with an aggressive looking rear diffuser. This particular model sits on the John Cooper Works track spoke design gloss black alloy wheels. While at the front of the car we have the LED headlights along with the aggressive looking John Cooper Works lower bumper design. Moving inside to the rear of the vehicle, we have the half leather, half Alcantara seats on offer. And into the front we have the stunning dashboard on display, which features some of the gloss black and chrome interior inserts, along with the John Cooper Works front sports bucket seats. Moving on, we have the vehicle's leather-wrapped multifunctional steering wheel for access to some of the vehicle's features, including the cruise control, with the car's fully digital cockpit just above. Into the centre we have the car's multimedia system for access to features such as communication, allowing you to make and receive calls hands-free. You can also access the vehicle's radio system or choose to connect your own Bluetooth device. Just below we have additional features such as the simple to use climate control system for features such as the heated seat function, along with the drive mode select, which allows you to choose between sport, mid and green driving modes. Finally, we have the keyless go start stop switch and automatic gear shifter. For any more information regarding this used mini hatch, please contact our sales team.